In this video, I will show you how to get Office 365 cheaply. If you like this video, feel free to like the video and subscribe. Let's go. If you visit the official Microsoft.com website, you can compare their subscriptions to get the software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And you can see that it will cost you about $10 per month or $7 per month if you take the personal plan. It's relatively expensive for some people, and that's why I'm going to share with you the trick I use to pay less for all these subscriptions. It's thanks to the subscription sharing platform GamesGo, which is a platform that allows several people around the world to share premium subscriptions together and thus get a discount on the price. As you can see here, you have Office 365, so the Microsoft suite, to have the software Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, etc. And it will only cost you $367, which is half the price. It's a site that works really well. You have the link just below the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment under the video. You just need to click on it and you will be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. Then, at the top right, you can create an account in a few minutes. You can do it with a Gmail address like this. Once you are logged in on the homepage, if you scroll down, you will see the Office 365 option available. You just need to click on it and you will see that it allows you to access all these software at half price. So you just need to click on Join Now. You can choose the subscription period ranging from 3 months to 6 months. You can choose whether or not to activate the automatic renewal option to get an additional discount, knowing that if you take a 6-month subscription, it will cost you only $334. It's really a very good deal. And then you can even add, if you wish, a promo code JUMY, like this, to get an additional discount on the price. Then you click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. It's a 100% secure platform. Once you have completed the payment, you will instantly receive your login and password to access your account. Office 365 in your subscription section on GamesGo Go, right here. Then, you simply need to log in on the official Microsoft.com site to download all the software and use them unlimitedly on your computer or mobile phone.